solve the equation for x. So pretty straightforward. I'm going to rewrite it. I'm going to rewrite it without the parentheses just so that I'm aware of what the math is that we're doing. So whenever you have numbers next to each other or variables in parentheses, it means they're being multiplied. Okay? And I'm not writing that 0 in front because we don't need it as long as you remember to put the decimal there. Now, I could just do 21 times 14 times x and 49 times 48. I think it would be easier, though, if I reduced first, because we would just be reducing the fraction later anyway. So I'm going to reduce before I do anything else, meaning I'm going to look for common factors in the top and the bottom. So I see already that 14 and 48 are both even. Or actually, an even better one, 14 and 49 are both divisible by 7. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to divide them both by 7. 14 divided by 7 is 2. 49 divided by 7 is 7. I'm just going to rewrite that so that it's clear. 21 times 2 times x over 7 times 48. Okay? I'm not going to write the rest of the equation for right now. And 2 and 48 definitely have a common factor, as do 21 and 7. I'm just going to do them both at the same time. So 21 and 7, both divisible by 7. This becomes 1. This becomes 3. 2 and 48, both divisible by 2. This becomes 1. This becomes 24. I'm going to rewrite again. 3 times 1 times x, and that 1, of course, doesn't really matter. And 1 times 24, and I see there's one more thing I can do, which is 3 and 24, both divisible by 3. That becomes 1. That becomes 8. That's as far as I can go, because I got a lot of 1s now. So 1x, which is the same as x, over 1 times 8, which is 8. And now I'm going to do the rest of the equation. 0.875. To isolate x, I want to multiply both sides by 8. I don't know that off the top of my head, because if I did, that would be insane. So I'm going to do a little stacking. Carry the 4. 7 times 8 is 56, plus 4 is 60. 8 times 8 is 64, plus 6 is 70. That worked out nicely. There are 3 numbers after the decimal point in the question, so there have to be 3 in the answer, and that means the answer is 7. You don't have to put the rest of it. You can just put the 7. If you wanted to do 0.0, that's fine. It's not going to change the meaning of it.